watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Are you dreaming of a kitchen that feels warm, inviting, and full of character? If so, consider embracing the charming cottage-style aesthetic. In this video, I'll share simple yet effective ideas to transform your kitchen into a cozy and relaxed space that exudes timeless charm. Creating a classic cottage-style kitchen is an excellent way to infuse your home with a sense of coziness and warmth. Whether you're embarking on a complete kitchen renovation or making subtle updates, there are numerous design elements that can help you achieve the desired look. Embrace a casual and inviting atmosphere by incorporating floral patterns, weathered finishes, and vintage or antique decor pieces. From wicker furnishings to wooden accents, each element should evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort. Contrary to popular belief, a cottage-style kitchen doesn't equate to chaos or clutter. Instead, it's about curated charm and effortless elegance. Let your kitchen decor items and furniture pieces appear as though they've been lovingly collected over time, adding to the cozy and lived-in feel of the space. Think mismatched yet harmonious elements that come together to create a cohesive and inviting ambience. When it comes to color schemes, opt for soft, natural hues to capture the essence of cottage style. Whites, beiges, and light blues serve as perfect backdrops for this aesthetic, evoking a sense of tranquility and simplicity. Don't hesitate to introduce subtle pops of color like yellow, green, or dusty rose through accessories, linens, or fresh produce. These touches add vibrancy and personality to your cottage-style kitchen, infusing it with warmth and charm. Transforming your kitchen into a charming cottage-style haven is both achievable and rewarding. By incorporating these simple yet effective design ideas, you can create a space that feels cozy, inviting, and full of character. Embrace the timeless appeal of cottage style and watch as your kitchen becomes the heart of your home, where cherished memories are made and shared.